welcome to my first video in YouTube. Yeah, so we are playing Cookie Run Kingdom. Actually, matagal na ako naglalaro ng Cookie Run pero ikaw lang nire-rec. And alam ko yung iba mga ibang tao di naglalaro na ito. So, yeah. Wait lang, naglo-loading pa eh. Ay, wala yan guys. Actually, kakauwi ko lang kasi exam namin ngayon. Kayo ba, ayaw niyo mag-exam? Kasi ako rin eh. Pero at least diba, maaga uwi. 12 yung, I think 12. Wala yan guys, wala yun. Uy! Saan na? Wala akong mapili. Kasi di ko alam kung dito. Ay, never mind. We are gonna draw something, guys. Wala, ayaw tumingin. Daya na. Ayaw tumingin. Eh! Nagsiskip ako pag hindi tumitingin yung witch. Kasi tumitingin yan eh. Minsan red yung eyes. Yung parang red na diamond thingy. You know what I mean? Tapos minsan merong eyes na pa-cute. Bakit I don't know. Yeah, hindi siya tumingin. Skip. La! Oh, what is this, bro? Okay. Ano ba yan? Diba ang galing? Ang galing. Tapos, meron pa tayo ditong dalawa. Diba? Ang galing. Oh, hindi siya tumingin. Actually, guys, yung tingin yan, minsan, red na diamond eyes thingy. Tapos yung isa yung parang soft eyes na parang cute eyes, ganun. Di ulit siya tumingin. Ano ba yan? That's what I hate the most. Actually, not hate, pero ayaw ko lang talaga. Oh, okay. We have 305 sugar cubes. So, let's see what we will get. Okay. Ano ba yan? What is this? What is this, bro? Ang cute. Ulit-ulit na lang yun eh. Okay, let's get the gift. Ooh! Nadagdagan, 105 na. Kasi na-spend na natin yung 300. So, that means, we can buy more cubes. Okay. I'm trying to get her a Black Forest cookie. Kasi itong asawa niya sa cookies. So, guys, mag-asawa ko sila. Comment nyo dyan na para alam. Kasi di ako sure eh. Okay, check natin yung sauce.
I heard there's a cute, squishy train conductor in this kingdom.
Ano yun? Wala akong marinig. Ang low volume kasi eh. What I want to get is Eternal Sugar Cookie. Tsaka yung asawa ni si Fairy. Moonlight Cookie. Tama ba, guys? Kasi sabi rin ng kaibigan ko, eto si Moonlight Cookie, tsaka si Sea Fairy. Si Fairy ba yun? Ito, si Sea Fairy.
Still water
Mag-asawa daw si
runs deep.
Comment ka dyan para alam ko kasi daw ko siya yung baba. Sabi ko, anyways, uy, onti na lang, okay. I'm trying to get them both. Okay. Okay na? Okay na. Okay na. Wait lang. Yes!
I will be the bride they deserve. I shall become their bride.
Sinong dare? Sino?
All right, tell me about your dream wedding.
Yay! So, napapansin nyo, yung face cam.
Nothing makes me happier than seeing brides smile.
Wow. Anyways, so napapansin nyo na wala akong camera para sa mukha ko is ayaw magpakita and ayaw ko lang magpakita ng camera kasi yung face camera kasi magda-download pa ako ng screen recorder para meron ako face cam.
My sisters are
So,
quite a handful.
Ayun,
They are good
ayaw kong
kids.
gawin. Baka ma-full storage ako. And yung pinaka-favorite ko is this
Be grateful
cookie.
and rejoice.
Kasi she is Catholic. Kasi
Suffering is part of you. May my faith, great morning to my faith. May my dope of salt, 13 fire.
Catholic.
Cookies rejoice in our creators,
She is
for they
Catholic.
are the ones who bake us.
I think she is salt. She is like Catholic. She's giving Catholic vibes, so that's why I like her. Tapos, I like her or him kasi I don't know the gender of this Snapdragon cookie kasi di ko pa alam yung mga gender. My cousin think that
Yes. At times my temper gets ahead of
she
me.
is a girl, but he is a boy. This is Manju cookie. Manju or Manhu? Not sure, bro. And this is also my favorite.
Hogwash, rubbish,
Is
baloney.
Shadow Bell
I
cookie,
will not
Max
tolerate
Level
any.
Minions. And ito, I'm so
Not
happy
all
about this one
cookies
kasi
can become
ang
heroes.
tagal ko nang gusto ko siyang kunin. Kasi I'm in a dark cacao. Cacao ba? Cacao ba yun? Basta. Yung dark cacao na, na island. Bro, I've been wanting him.
Balance of black and white is key.
Kasi same kami ng like, wait, anong ulit to? Wait lang. I will let you see. The C is C. Ha? Hato! Okay, okay, may email pala ako. Sorry, di ko napapansin. Basta yun, nandun ako sa may dark cacao na ting-ya. Basta yun. Tapos ayun. Oh, look at her! Aww. Cute. Ang cute pag kinicarry ko siya. Tapos, asan yung bride niya? Where is she? Oh, there she is. Not you, sorry. Not you, also. Ang cute niya. Ang cute I wanna carry her and I wanna put her here. I wanna put her here. Aww. Bagay sa kanya, promise. Uy, dapat dito yung finger ko, kaso nasa ano eh. I can't do that. You go in this way. Di, joke lang. I'm not forcing. This is Eternal Sugar's island next to Holly Berries. I don't know what I'm doing, pero yeah, I'm being creative. With sugar. Ayun na ba yan? See. Why are you here? Why are you here, sir? You know. You know. Never mind, ayaw niya.
Stop poking me.
I'm not poking you, bro. I'm trying to get this cute little thing. I like him. Lalaki ata siya. Hindi ko alam. Pero ang cute niya. Umiyak siya palagi. Going back to Honolulu just to get that Demawi Wowie. Demawi Wowie. I like him. And oh, she's so elegant. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's so elegant.
Play, play!
I wanna go play. I don't care. Can I actually put you in a swing? Oh, ayaw. Sad. Where
Please
is
come
that
to my
Mary?
next concert.
Oh, hi. Hi, Seafair. Oh, hi. Hi, Seafair. Ano gusto mo sabihin?
So, wingless cookies are destined to run.
Hi, Seafair. Oh, you look so cute. Hello. Wait, you can talk to him? Wait, is that a him or her? I forgot what he or she sounds like. Ooh. Dude. Hi. Oh, sorry. I don't want to carry you. I'm sorry. Hello, madam. Bro, it's not in an edit. Bro, ba't ka Ma'am, why are you running? Okay, sorry. I didn't mean to carry you, madam. I wanna drop it. Oh, there. Yay. Mag-swimming ka na dyan. Total, mermaid ka naman eh. Wow. Paligo ka na. Ay, lumipad sa tubig. Ang galing. Ang galing. Tapos hindi lumipad. Ang sarap ligo mo dyan, te. Hala, gusto ko kunin yung skin. Ay? Gusto ko kunin yung skin nito. Si Black Pearl. Tama ba? Oo, kasi hindi siya ganyan dati. She's not like this before. She is actually pink.
Academia.
Or maybe soft.
This kingdom is under my
She's a
guard.
softie ba? But her love actually cheated on her or loved someone else. You little cheeky girl. Why are you looking at me like that? Oh, I wanna carry you. Aww. Oh, you look so cute. I'm not gonna let you work. You look so cute. Oh my gosh. So, ayan, magtatapos ang video. Bye-bye!